Delaveaus. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. The sun is in my eye. I can't see. You guys, we are in the city. We are in the city today. We're going to do some tourism, going to do some adventure today. So we are out extra early with my brother. My brother is there. Say hi, Conrad. My brother is there. Tyler is here. He's cold. Let me show you guys Ty. Ty's freezing. And baby's here. Say morning. Say morning, honey.
Hi.
And Sarah is here. Sarah is sleeping. So we're in Jersey City right now and we're heading to go on the train to go to New York City.
I think they closed this now.
So we're looking forward to do the Statue of Liberty today. I think we're going to also do the World Trade Center, and we're going to do a bunch more stuff today. So that's what we're up to right now. We're actually heading to the train, and it's cold this morning. So we're wearing jackets, right, babe? We're wearing jackets, and it's gonna be a good day. So we're looking forward to it. So let's go have a good day. Yes, baby. Look at that.
The last top of the bus called Jersey because this is Jersey City, right?
Right. All I'm seeing is Thai building. Back home in France, we don't have these buildings. We don't have these high buildings, and it's getting pretty busy. So I'm gonna have to keep focus here. You're gonna have to put Sarah most of today so I can vlog on the whole time. Oh, it's an elevator. Oh, we can't go that way. Okay. Ty, look, the USA flag is over there. Look across the street. You see it? Right. It's cold, y'all. It's cold. But I'm excited for today. I'm super excited. I always wanted to go to Statue of Liberty when I came to New York.
To see you.
Yes, baby?
Can't go further to
Go. I came to New York City for the first time. I wanted to go to the Statue of Liberty and I didn't get to go. So this time I decided that I'm definitely going. So we leave home early and we're heading there. So that's good. First stop. Let's do this and have a good day. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan bam, and enjoy today's adventure. You going on a train? Watch him face. The train. Yeah, this one more full than the other one. The other one was kind of empty. This one is packed. Huh?
Take the next one that comes in 1 minute.
Damn, they come that often? Damn! Look at this building. Oh my god. Ty, look up. Ty, look there. Oh, I'm hungry. Shoot. So we're at these high buildings at the top. The Millennium Hilton. Look how tall they are.
hotel or business.
Oh my gosh. They're so tall. I'm getting dizzy looking up.
Yeah,
Crazy.
That's why you used to walk heads up.
Oh my gosh. Century 21 department store. Man, the city of tall buildings. The city of tall buildings. Princess sleeping.
I take care of them.
Huh?
Take care of them. The bus.
My brother just said we're downtown Manhattan. All I'm seeing is tall buildings. My brother worked down here, so it feels so good. It just feels different from France, completely different from France. I remember when I came to New York the first time, it was freezing. It was in January, it was freezing, so we didn't really get to enjoy it much. It was during New Year's. National September 11 Memorial Museum. Oh, this is the 9/11 Museum.
And those are the
Police.
pools.
Of the names. That's where it is. What we doing first though, babe?
The pools.
Okay, so where we go?
Flag.
The pools are over
The
here.
cruise.
Oh, you're going to the
The cruise first. We do this when we get back.
U.S. flag.
Where are we going to go on the cruise?
You have to go, yes, you have to go to the water. You have to cross the road. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, come. You see the US flag? Yeah. Good job. So we're at the 9/11 Memorial Museum, and we're going to do I think we're going to do that when we come back, but we wanted the Statue of Liberty first, so we're gonna do that first because the line should be long. And I'm looking forward to see the pool, where all the names from the World Trade Center incident was, and hopefully Tyler will get to understand and learn what's not the reason, but what happened, and we can kind of educate him a little bit. But yeah, we are heading to the Statue of Liberty right now.
U.S. flag.
You see the US flag. You guys know that he's been obsessed with flags, so he now know what the US flag look like. So he's pretty excited about that. And the museum is here, so we're gonna do the museum later. So here goes the World Trade Center right here. It's pretty cool, so tall. And he's obsessed with the US flag. Come on. Tyler, look!
It's the Firefighters Memorial.
Dedicated to those who fell and to those who carry on. How cool is that?
May we never forget.
I
You see the
know.
women on the wall? Look past the uniform, look at the faces. Boy or girl?
Ah, girl. It's a girl, Ty.
Okay. Look,
Go look.
it's happened before you were born. September 11, 2001.
Come, let Mama tell you what happened, okay?
History.
We may never forget. May we never forget. Yeah. Buying street food. I've been looking forward to this. And we're buying hot dogs. You want hot dog? Yeah. A water and a Gatorade.
Gatorade blue, red, orange.
Red. Oh, hot dog. Babe said he doesn't want anything, but we want hot dog. We want the real New York experience. Come. Stay at Papa. 14.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So good. I love street food, literally. And the rest is street food I have to buy. Ready? Let's go. Hey, let's go. Nom, 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 nom. Giovanni Verrazzano. Look who is awake and smiling. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi. You ready to go see the Statue of Liberty? You ready? You ready? You ready? Yeah, you ready? So we got our tickets, guys. We got our tickets. Babe and Tyler is going to the restroom. Hi, Mama. You're smiling. We had to pay 18 for adults and 9 for a child once he reached 4 and up, but the lady's like, no, we're gonna give him a free ticket. So Tyler didn't have to pay, and Babe and I got our tickets. We paid for our tickets, so that's awesome. We're really looking forward to going to the Statue of Liberty. So it should be a good day. I'm excited. You're excited, aren't you? Excited? You excited? You excited? Yes, yes. This cruise, and we are here at the Statue of Liberty. Come on. You're making her smile. So we're at the Statue of Liberty Island and looking at all these beautiful views. Lots of helicopters in the sky. Ferry coming around, and the Statue of Liberty is right there. And my handsome man is right here. Tyler, which flag is that?
What?
Look, which flag is that?
US.
What? USA. What does USA stand for? What does the abbreviation USA stand for? United States of America. What does USA stand for? United States of
of America.
Very good. Wow, it's a nice view behind you. Look at Tyler with his hand like the Liberty statue. You're so funny. Come on, you're so cute. The TV and the book give this statue no justice. No justice it does. But when you look at it in person, it is just... I just want to just stand here and stare at it. It's so pretty. Man. We're in the gift shop and this is the one Tyler chose. Monsieur Liberty. Want a picture? That's it? That's the only thing in that space?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Too bright.
Street dancing is happening right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's only one race in this world today.
And what's that?
The human race.
That's our show. Thank you and God bless. Thank you guys.
Okay, you guys, so here's a rundown of our day so far. It is now 5 minutes before 1 p.m. Before 1? Before 2? Oh my gosh. 5 minutes before 2. We are now going to the World Trade Center. We did Ellis Island and we did the Statue of Liberty, and that was cool. Good history. And now we are going to the World Trade. Baby's there pushing Princess. We just stopped to change her entire outfit. Look at her. Let's she bite her hands for now.
Stop.
If she wants her president. Ah?
So, and then,
Yeah, we're going to the World Trade Center now. Okay?
Train stop?
No. So we're at the 9/11 Memorial Grounds right now, and if you guys can see, these are all the names engraved in here of the persons who passed away in 9/11. I literally have to take deep breaths every time I'm talking about this. And yeah, this is where the tower was, and the fountain that they create here is just beautiful. Crazy.
What?
And this here is the new tower. This is the new Trade Center. So tall. Kingston Eatery. How are you not say? We at that man. My princess. What that? Jerk pork, jerk chicken, Kingston Eatery. Oh my God, it's a Jamaican stall. Brooklyn Bridge. One coming? One coming?
Yeah.
Stop, stay right there. One coming here. Take the stroller. Damn, is this long that it won't stop yet? Damn it. Wow. Yes. You guys, we made our way to Chinatown, and can I tell you, I feel like I'm literally in China, though I've never been to China, but all I'm seeing is Chinese people and shops and wholesales and more wholesales. But right now I am miserable because I'm hungry and I can't find anywhere to eat. I can't find anywhere to eat. I went to one Chinese place, but I walked out because I didn't like how the food was. So I need to find something to eat. I'm wondering if I'm really gonna have to go to McDonald's.
Up here when I was like 20.
Eating or no?
Me?
How is it, Dad? You don't like it? It's chicken.
What you eating?
I have no idea.
Me too, but it is good.
Chicken.